This video is going to show how to perform a DC sweep simulation in OrCAD PSpice. A DC sweep simulation analyzes circuit behavior by incrementing a parameter such as DC voltage over a specified range. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice Designer. Before we can run a simulation profile must be created to define the simulation parameters. Select PSpice, New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the simulation profile DC Sweep and click Create. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. Select DC Sweep from the Analysis Type drop-down menu. Select voltage source for the sweep variable and enter V2 for the name. Enter 0 for the start value, 5 for the end value, and 0.1 for the increment. This will implement a DC voltage sweep across V2, starting at 0 volts and ending at 5 volts. Click OK. For a DC sweep simulation to show any results, probes must be placed in the schematic. Select the voltage level marker button from the toolbar. Click to place probes on the DC in and out nets. Right-click and select End Mode when finished. Let's begin the simulation. Select PSpice, Run from the menu, or the Run button from the toolbar. View the results in the PSpice AD window. The DC in input rises throughout the sweep. The voltage at node out holds at 10 volts until the input voltage is around 0.65 volts, at which point it starts decreasing. Close the PSpice AD window. DC sweeps can be used to sweep any parameter in the schematic, not just voltages. Select Place, Component from the menu. The Component Explorer tab opens. Select PSpice in the Categories list. Enter param into the search field and press Enter. Select the parameter part from the list. Right-click and select Place. Click to place the parameter list in the schematic. Right-click and select End Mode. Let's add a new parameter to sweep. Double-click the list to open the Property Editor tab. Select New Property to add a new property. Name the property RSet and enter 100 for the value. Check Display On/Off and click OK. This will create a variable with default value 100. In the Display Properties window, select Both if value exists to display the value in the schematic. Click OK. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. The parameter is now visible in the list in the schematic. The variable needs to be assigned to a component value to be useful. Double-click the value of R1 to change it. Enter bracket RSet bracket for the value and click OK. To sweep the variable, select PSpice Edit Simulation Profile from the menu. In the Simulation Settings window, select Global Parameter as the sweep variable. Enter RSet for the parameter name. Enter 50 for the start value, 150 for the end value, and 5 for the increment. Click OK. Select PSpice Run from the menu. View the results. As the resistance is swept, the output voltage drops. Quickly perform a DC sweep simulation to verify circuit behavior when parameters are varied with PSpice.